Hi, Ben here with Amtex equipment. Next to me, it is the most powerful single action machine ever walked the earth. The Inferno 2545. This machine, as you know, is equipped with a 25 horsepower air-cooled engine, rotating a 400 CFM Roots 45 URI blower, a 4.8 gallon per minute hyper pump, and 2 supercharged heat exchangers. Now, as time goes by, we do get ideas from our customers, from the end users, to not only perfect the machine, but also makes it into a friendly type of user machine. That way it kind of serves you better in the market, and it'll be the best pal you ever purchased in the market as the machine. Now, one of the things we have done in the past was introducing to you the exterior filter housing, which we brought to you first with a stack design. By having exterior filter housing on the truck mount, you're allowing the technician to be able to use 90% the capacity of his recovery tank, compared to the 65% usage which is practiced by some of the manufacturers out, which it does not allow you to go a full 1 to 2 hours of cleaning without dumping your gray water. Now, as time went by, when we started applying the same type of application as far as the exterior filter housing to the Dragon, we kind of came up with the idea, why not apply it to the 2545 single action, the Inferno. If you come closer, you'll be able to see the exterior filter housing of the Inferno, the latest look of the exterior filter housing, which is a round type of exterior filter housing with the braces outside to prevent any kind of top edge collapse. But because the filtration is on top, and the only areas where the air can enter, it is to the side of the filter. With the reports that we get from the market, with the end user purchasing such a machine, this filter can go through hundreds of hours of operation without any kind of cleanup. Now, one of the ideas that was given to us, again, like I said, by our main designer, which is our customers out there, was adding a vacuum gauge to the tank. Why? Why don't we have one up in the front? Why have one to the tank? What he brought up, what makes sense, was if you're removing the air from the top filtration box into the blower, and if the filter is dirty, that means the amount of negative pressure that you get inside the tank will not be equivalent to the one that the gauge reads, which comes from top of the tank. By adding a vacuum gauge of saying 0 to 30 HG vacuum, as we have it in the front, if you take a look, as the machine operates, if the flow system, if the vacuum flow system of this machine is extremely clean and not contaminated, you should be able to get the same reading on the gauges. However, if you happen to turn the machine on and you get, let's say you get a 20-inch of mercury on the front gauge of vacuum, but then again, as you look up, you only get about 10-inch of mercury on the tank, there could be two cases. Either you have a loose gasket, that you have some kind of air leakage, which this might happen once in a blue moon, or in a lot of cases, your filter needs to be cleaned up. Simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this story short right here because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and start the machine and show you this clever idea that was given to us by one of our customers in the field. Let's go. We're gonna do a short start, so we're not gonna need that water to be hooked up to the machine. As usual, we're gonna push everything to the right, throttle a little bit to the left, choke all the way to the left. As I'm gonna crank, I'm gonna go ahead and open the choke and speed up the engine to 3,000 RPM. At the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and block the airflow. And the cameraman should be able to get the reading off the gauge. At the same time, go to the tank, come back in and go back. You'll be able to see they do operate and move in a harmony. That means that's an indication that you have a clean flow system of air, or flow air coming into the blower. However, like I said, if you happen to be using this machine after so many 100 hours, and as you block the vacuum, or if you connect hoses to the machine, and it starts seeing a high HG buildup on the front gauge, but a low HG buildup on a back tank gauge, that's an indication that your filter needs attention. All right, here we go. We're gonna start it. We're gonna raise the RPM. We're gonna block the airflow and show you the clever idea that was given to us by one of our customers. We're gonna go ahead and increase it. tell me that was not a genius design that was given by our main designer, you as our customer. Again, I want to thank you for watching our videos. I'm looking forward to bring you more and more update in the future, help you clean better and easier and more comfortable. Again, Ben with Amtex, thank you for your time. I'm signing off.